What? Zilliqa is up 71%, almost 3x in a couple of days. Let's see if we can talk about another coin that might be doing similar things. Let's get it. Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we can talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about how Zilliqa right now is up 71% as of starting this video, almost up 99%, over 100% in the last 2 days. And some people are saying this is one of those things that is confirming for sure that we are going towards a nice, whether it be short-term, mid-term, or long-term, we're not sure, but we are going into an alt season. I want to talk to you guys about another coin that is very similar to Zilliqa, looks very good on the chart, and also has some news coming to go along with everything. It has a formula that Zilliqa had to pump. We're going to talk about that coin today. We're going to spend a little bit of time on these Bitcoin and the total 2 charts, the overall market. So if you're excited about that, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. If you're new to my channel, let me know if you want to get into the Telegram group where we can start finding these gems and let's get this money together. So Zilliqa at 19 cents, going crazy. Shout out to those Zilliqa holders right there. The Zilliqa community is back. Looking at the fear and greed index, though, people are still neutral. A lot of people don't feel like things are popping off. Me, I'm seeing things popped off. I am a Zilliqa holder. Didn't talk about it as much on the channel, but I did talk about it in the past with the channel before. Didn't shill it too much, so whatever. But I'm a Zilliqa holder, so I'm seeing that different things are happening in these markets. These charts are starting to look different, and also the total 2 is looking like this. So this is the chart that shows kind of all of the altcoins, the market cap of all of the altcoins right here, excluding Bitcoin, and we can see that it got back above the 200 moving average. This is the daily chart, and it looking like it wants to come up and start doing some, it wants to continue to go up. The first thing it has to do, though, is try to retest something. It's got to try to retest something in this area right here before it continues to go up. So that's something that I am keeping an eye on, being wary of that. Hey, it might want to come down and do a little retest maybe of the 200, and if it gets really bad, maybe this red line, and if it gets really bad, maybe the top of this thing right here. So not putting that outside of the cards yet. The quicker we come down and have us a retrace of some of this breakout, the better. The next thing I want to talk about on this chart is on the weekly. So on the weekly chart, we have a couple things right here that look really nice. The most bullish thing that we could do on this weekly chart right now is get above this level right here, which is at $1.31 trillion, which we do have some momentum down here that looks like it might be possible, giving us a 1334 cross coming right here, getting above this major trend line that was $1.124 trillion. Getting above that was really nice. Now over here on this vortex indicator right here, what we want to see is we want this blue line to come up and cross, because when that happens, we can see nice things go on the chart when that happens. So we want this to continue to curve this way and kind of send us, you know, up to test this level, just like I just repeated myself. Anyways, looking at the stable coin dominance, we just want this to keep going down. Right now, I got a target for 6.6 on the stablecoin dominance. If that continues to keep happening, altcoins will go crazy, although we are finding support right here on 2.71. So went through that real quick. For those who are new to the channel and who don't really know why I look at those, hey, these let us know if we can go ahead and start looking at some of these altcoins. If things start to look ugly on these charts, and it gets very hard, if you're a trader, if you're a holder, it gets very hard to trade or hold through scenarios where stablecoin dominance is going up. That sucks. To be holding this scenario right here where the total 2 is going down, that sucks. And definitely when Bitcoin's going down, it sucks to hold, because Bitcoin kind of gives this whole market its sentiment. Right now, Bitcoin is in this box. Now, I said this box was going to be some trading going on here. The best thing that can happen for altcoins is kind of for us to go sideways in this box for a little bit. Let's calm down a little bit. Let's retest some of these moving averages, and then let's go ahead and take off to new all-time highs. Give the altcoins a chance to run. Let Bitcoin do its thing. Give the altcoins another chance to run. Wash, rinse, repeat. That's what I want to keep seeing. That's what happens every other alt season. So that's what we want to see happen right here. So the coin that I want to talk to you guys about today, because the chart is looking really nice, they got some upgrades coming up to their protocol, and that coin is EOS. Now, similar things going on with Zilliqa. EOS has been around for a while. If you haven't got into EOS, I encourage you to go do a deep dive into the project, because I'm not going to do a deep dive into it right here. I'm just pointing it out for you because I think EOS, this is not financial advice, but I think EOS is very similar to Zilliqa and what they're doing, what they're building, and they were around a certain amount of time. They have similar market caps. EOS is higher than Zilliqa on the market cap chart by 1. EOS is 52, Zilliqa is 1. EOS's all-time high is $22, so right now it's at 2.94. So just getting up to $6 is still would be double your money, and still way far away from the all-time high of EOS. EOS is right here, it's a blockchain platform. I'm not a very big fan of EOS. I tried the EOS dApps when I first got into crypto. That's why I don't really talk about it as much. But when it comes to trading, this chart right here looks pretty interesting, because it looks very similar to the way that Zilliqa chart looked before it took off. So a couple things happening down here on this vortex indicator. This is the 1 hour. Let me change it to the 4. This is the vortex indicator. You know what? Let's go to the 12. First, let me talk about the vortex. The vortex is crossing on the 4 hour. Now, if I go to the daily, we can see that the 200 moving average is rejecting EOS right now. So when I get a confirmation that EOS has broken out of the 200 daily moving average, I will be opening up a trade somewhere in this area right here and trying to ride it until it gets to this area right here, which is a 57%. This is not financial advice. This is just what I'm doing. I know you guys like to hear some of the stuff that I'm doing, and then you can make up your own strategies and stuff like that. So real quick video for you guys right now. We are seeing things get different on these charts. You know what I'm saying? Time to start picking up these altcoins and watching them go crazy. We are getting nice confirmed levels over these charts on the total 2. The last thing we need for me to stop saying we're not out of the woods yet is for us to retest these levels right here, like I said in the beginning of the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. If you're not subscribed to the channel, check out the Hula Girl NFT if you haven't checked that out. RIP to my brother Roots for sure. Think positive, and positive things will happen. Till next time, peace.